Yes. Hello guys, welcome my people, welcome our family. Let me greet you again for this time. So in today's video I'm going to show you how Vidiq can help grow your channel, how you can use Vidiq in order to grow your channel, and how you can connect Vidiq with your channel. So all those things we are going to do, you can use your phone. Even if you don't have a laptop, even if you don't have a desktop, you can do it with your phone. Vidiq is the app or the platform that helps or that connected with your channel. You can connect it with your channel. You can Vidiq can help you make high score titles or high attractive thumbnails. Vidiq can help you grow your channel, can help you show you how to generate how your channel is going, and how your channel is growing faster or smaller, and show you the tips you can use to make your channel going viral, or to make your channel becoming so fun or so big. So let's dive into the video. But before we dive into the video, let me thank to the subscribers or new subscribers, and all the subscribers that have been subscribed to this channel. Our channel is called EjoTech, where you find information about AI, earning apps, how you can make money by using YouTube, how you can use YouTube for making money, different websites that helps you to make money. All those tips, all those information, all those education tips, you can find it here. So if you are new, make sure to subscribe to the EjoTech family and to the EjoTech channel. So you see, our channel is growing so faster. Last day we was about 991 subscribers the past tomorrow, but now we have 993 subscribers. So our channel is growing very fast. So I am going to show you how you can connect Vidiq and connect it with your channel, and how Vidiq will help you or will support you to promote your channel and help you to make different thumbnails, different titles, etc. So all those things, just remember that all those things you need to do by using phone. You see right there, I'm using my phone. I am using smartphone. Not even if you don't have a laptop, you can do what? You can still upload videos. You can still do live stream on YouTube. You can upload, you can make thumbnails by only using your phone. So before, we have to go in the Google Play Store and download the Vidiq app and try to connect it with our channel. So let's dive into the video. I'm going right back here and go to the Play Store. Go to the Play Store. The connection is going so slow. After click on the Play Store, I'm going to click on search button right here and search Vidiq. Vidiq, like this. Vidiq. This is the best platform. I'm going to install it into my device. Click install on the right corner here and wait for it to be installed in our device storage. So this Vidiq is going to show us, or to show, it is like YouTube Studio, but it is connected with YouTube. Let me show you the proof. You see, the time we get let me go to the Gmail the time you get maybe you reach on 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, or 1k subscribers, you receive an emails from YouTube. But let me show you that emails. Here I have the email for reaching 950 subscribers, and see those emails are coming from Vidiq. You see this Vidiq, it means that the Vidiq is already connected into the YouTube. It means the things you can do in the YouTube studio, you can do it here in Vidiq. So let me we are waiting for our app to be installed. I guess it is finished. Let's go check if it is already installed into our device. Let me check. This one, Vidiq. Let me click on it. So before we connect our Vidiq with our YouTube channel, we should have an email that holds our YouTube channel. If you have the email that holds our YouTube channel, it means that we are going to connect it with our YouTube. It is best platform that helps us to generate more thumbnails, more attractive titles, tags, hashtags, etc. And it gives us this Vidiq can gives you the ideas for the next video, and can show you the score of your video, where your video goes. Why is this so late? Wait, Vidiq is so late to open, but it is also installed. It is late, but we can wait a moment and see what's next. And I know if this we can refresh, if it is not accessible. Let me click on it again and wait. Oh, why? Let me click on it. Yeah, you need to install this Vidiq into your mobile phone. What? Sorry, it is the error of connection, but you can still wait. So everything you have to do in this video, you need to watch this video till the end and see how we are going to connect our YouTube channel with the Vidiq. So welcome to Vidiq. Sign in or sign up. But you remember we have an existing email. An existing email we are going to choose on continue with Google. Continue with Google. And you have to continue with Google. So our email is called ProServe Academy, but this email holds channel that channel called EjoTech. So we are going to take this email that called ProServe Academy and click on it. Yes, you select the email that holds your channel in order to help Vidiq connect with your channel. Create word. No, you see, perfectly. Wow, perfectly. The time you see on the top of screen, EjoTech, our channel is already connected with the Vidiq. So this Vidiq, you can see the analytics. You can click on the analytics, achievements, research for new ideas, Vidiq can help you to optimize. Yes, can help you to optimize. So you see that our channel is also connected to the Vidiq. Vidiq can help us to make thumbnails, titles. Let me click on all. Milestone unlocked. That milestone of 950 subscribers, all those milestones, you see all those milestones, it is from Vidiq, and our Vidiq is also connected to our channel. So you can come here and see our videos. You see our videos here, and gain up earning from 6 months ago. You can see keywords. You can top keywords opportunities, raising keywords, overview and overviews, and you can see the home. This is home. Yes, this is Vidiq home. This is our achievement from the past days. Optimization. In the optimization, we can refresh. No feeds yet, but we can refresh and see what optimization makes us. So you can come and see in this video. You see, let me take the example of this video. This video titles tags is still small. 22 score, 34 store, 24 store. It is still small. You can click on publish tags in order to add more tags on our videos. So in this app of Vidiq, you can make anything. You can make anything as we can make it in our YouTube studio. So if you are new, make sure to subscribe and follow our channel for more tips like this. So connect the Vidiq. In the next video, I will show you how you can make thumbnails by using Vidiq. I will show you how to make more reachable titles by using Vidiq, etc. So if you are new, subscribe and share this video to everyone who loves content or who loves content creators. So let me see you in the next video. Thank you.